Hey, we're going to do a Lodge Sportsman Grill Steak today, folks. It's going to be short and sweet. I'm just going to show you how this grill does. Man, I'm impressed by it. So anyway, we'll show you this here in just a minute. You ready to go? Let's go check it out.
Boy, look at there. I got me some ribeye on this old Sportsman Grill today. Man, oh man, look at that. Awesome. That is awesome right there. You see that grill's got two levels. You can stand it on its feet and it raises it above the charcoal about 2 inches. Or you can flip it upside down and the grill's closer to the charcoal, which gives you a good hot sear on these steaks, and that's what we're looking for. So anyway, we're gonna let them cook down here. Oh yeah, look at that, boy. Look at the sizzle on that. Can you see that? Can you hear it? How about it? Can you smell it? My goodness gracious. Woo, I can't wait to wrap my lips around that, baby. Hey, look at here.
Wow, did you see the sizzle on that steak, man? Hey, I just had to show you guys this. I'm impressed, man, and it tastes so good. I didn't want to rub it in on you and cut a piece and eat it like we usually do, but anyway, man, this is awesome. I really like this Lodge Sportsman's Grill. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching this. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron. Short and sweet. You guys have a great day, and listen, hey, if you like it, click the like button, give me a thumbs up, or if you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Either way, that's all right. We don't mind. And also, if you had never subscribed to our channel, man, we'd love to have you subscribe to us. We've always got something going on. You never know what's going to come out from over here. So anyway, we appreciate you guys. Hey, have a great day. We'll see you.